Beautiful friends, happy Holy Week. We know it's a time when we wrestle with deep darkness within our being. We sometimes feel entombed as we follow the path of Jesus as he went through his process. We acknowledge the holiness of walking on sacred ground with beloved ones, moment by moment by moment. Jesus washed the feet of his disciples on this Maundy Thursday and humbled himself to say, we are all here to be a presence for each other, to learn and grow, and that I am the servant of all of you. And only in this humility could he rise into the truth of his leadership, the truth of his willingness to rise beyond the circumstances of the situation and bring forth another view to the world. A consciousness and awareness that broke through for each and every one of us. That we can begin to know our own value as a Christed being, to come into the full glory of the purpose that is ours. For we are each guided and led to fulfill a divine purpose, just as Jesus did, to rise into our Christ consciousness, to rise as the Christ being that we are designed as. And as we express these various roller coaster of experiences in these volatile times that we live in, just as Jesus lived in volatile times, in his world, in his universe at that time, there is much volatility. And same now, much unrest and challenge. And there are deep energies that are moving us into a higher frequency to open our hearts fully with love, to fulfill the highest version of ourselves, to allow that divine God essence to roll away the stones of doubt and fear and the struggles. Whatever we have entombed ourselves, let us rise this Easter. Let us break through with the true light of our being and allow that infinite presence, that infinite God essence to guide us perfectly to the fulfillment of who we're here to be. God bless you, friends. Have a fabulous Holy Week, and may this Easter celebration light up your soul. Come join us this Sunday for our sunrise service at 7 a.m. on the Labyrinth, or our 10:30 a.m. Easter Sunday celebration. We'll have a pancake breakfast between and an Easter egg hunt to follow. Look forward to seeing you at Unity Bay Area, Houston. I'm Reverend Kira Bear. Blessings of great, great love to each and every one of you, that you have your breakthrough.